Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do this task, which is arrange 50 flower bouquets in Freeplay and dress to impress. So basically, you're going to go to the Freeplay mode. From the stage, you're just going to walk um, towards the center area, towards the lake, no, fountain, pond, the pond, I don't know. Then you're just going to see this Florist Greenery section, and you're just going to go here. To start, you're just going to go to one of these places. Orders available 5, refresh in 8 hours. Wow, okay. So let's start game here. Okay, so we will need a rose, then we will need the brown parchment paper, then we will need this ribbon, and then the sticker. Oops, wait, yes, and then press done. That means you got it right. Again, rose, brown, red, and then this sticker, and then press done. Then now this is the blue flower, green, red, and the happy Valentine's Day. And then we have the purple, pink paper, blue, and then purple, white, and this one. And then we have purple. Oh my gosh. Hello. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's it. But oh, you can do it more, like 5 times a day, I think. But yeah, you need to be really quick. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.